Hello everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN Access, presented by Alienware. I am here at the E3 booth for Alienware. The M15 and M17 are the thinnest, lightest lineup of Alienware's gaming notebooks, and they're just about to get thinner and lighter and more powerful than ever. Here to tell me about it, we've got Frank Azor, who is Alienware's co-founder and general manager, as well as the head of gaming at Dell. Frank, tell me all about this computer.
Oh, we're so proud of this computer. This is our thinnest and lightest Alienware ever. This is the M15 R2, our newest one. And as you can see, it's just absolutely beautiful. It takes the brand new Legend industrial design that we introduced at CES, and we introduced that on our bigger Area 51M, and it just brings it down to an absolutely gorgeous thin and light design. This thing weighs less than 5 pounds, yet it's extremely, extremely powerful. So you can get the latest NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics in here, the latest Core i9 processors from Intel, and all the performance you'd expect from an Alienware. And of course the quality, the rugged build that you expect from any Alienware product that's out there. And then we have a ton of different LCD options and display options, including 15-inch OLED, which is pretty awesome. 240 hertz LCDs, 144 hertz LCDs. This thing's pretty much the best thin and light notebook you can possibly get out there.
What kind of ports are on there?
You get a pretty decent array of ports, so you're going to get 2 USB-As that you can see over here. When you move over to the other side, you're going to get another USB-A, you're going to get your headset jack, RJ45, so we didn't skimp out on that. And just to give you an idea of size, for those of you that are watching the stream, the video here, just look at that port. I mean, basically almost the entire thickness of the notebook is just a little bit thicker than that USB-A port.
That is a very thin computer. Can you talk about price point and a release window?
Yeah, so this will be available for sale starting on June 13th. So just a couple days from now, and the price point's going to be pretty reasonable. So you can expect this thing to go live at about $1,400 for the 15-inch, and then we've got a 17-inch version of it as well.
You also made a wonderful headset to go with it.
We actually have 2 headsets. So about a year ago at E3, we introduced our Alienware 988 headset. It's been a really high-end, really great headset for us. But folks said, hey, we love it, but we want something a little bit more affordable. That thing's over $200 on average. So what we've done is we've introduced 2 new headsets now. We've got a 7.1 headset that's about $99, and then we've got a standard 2.0 stereo headset that's going for about $79. So it takes a new Alienware Legend industrial design that we introduced in the Area 51M, and now with the new M15 and the M17, it's got your headset built in here, or your microphone built in here. They're really comfortable, really lightweight. What's really cool too is typically in headsets, the side earpieces they separate from the headband. This is all built in, so it's got a really nice design. So even though they move up and down, they don't have to separate from the headband. And then like every Alienware product, you're gonna get great performance, great quality, great industrial design. So everything you'd expect from an Alienware, but in 2 new headsets.
And this whole black strip here, this is all cushion. I love this.
Yeah, it's really nice. We introduced this first in the headset we introduced last year. People absolutely loved it. So in this new $99 7.1 headset, you'll be able to get that kind of cushion feel here. It's really soft, comfortable, and just really nice design.
Well, Frank, thank you so much for walking me through all of that. If you want to find out more, you can head to twitch.tv/Alienware, where they are streaming all sorts of stuff from E3, tech talks, game demos, gameplay, all sorts of stuff like that. And for everything else E3, keep it on IGN.